Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best elephant trunk is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you never knew you needed, offering unparalleled dexterity and reach for tasks that demand both precision and immense strength, truly transforming the way you interact with your environment and making previously impossible feats effortlessly achievable, whether you're reaching high shelves or manipulating delicate components. Number 5. Shinesty Ball Hammock Boxer Brief. Tired of discomfort and constant adjustments throughout your day? Traditional underwear often falls short, leaving you feeling restricted and unsupported. It's time for a revolutionary change in how you experience comfort. Introducing a game-changing design that cradles and supports you like never before. Its unique hammock-like pouch keeps everything comfortably in place, preventing chafing and sticking. Experience unparalleled support that lasts from morning to night. This innovative design ensures optimal separation, reducing irritation and enhancing your overall well-being. Enjoy a smooth, streamlined fit with its modern flyless construction. This thoughtful detail provides a clean look and eliminates unnecessary bulk, making it perfect under any outfit. Step into a new world of comfort and confidence with this essential addition to your wardrobe. It's engineered to keep you feeling fresh, supported, and ready for anything life throws your way. What we like. This one offers superior pouch support and a convenient flyless design. If you're looking for ultimate comfort and security without the hassle of a fly, this is your go-to. It's perfect for active individuals who need reliable support all day long. What people say. Number 4. Shinesty Long Leg Boxer Briefs. Discover the ultimate comfort for men. These long leg boxer briefs are designed to revolutionize your daily wear. They offer a new standard in men's underwear. Experience superior support where it matters most. They feature an innovative design to keep everything comfortably in place. You'll feel secure all day long. Enjoy the unique ball hammock technology. It provides gentle lift and separation, preventing chafing and discomfort. This design ensures optimal comfort. With their long leg design, they prevent ride-up and provide extra coverage. You'll stay comfortable and confident from morning to night. They are perfect for any activity. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to all-day support. These briefs are perfect for active lifestyles or everyday wear. Make them your go-to choice for ultimate comfort. What we like. Featuring a long leg design and enhanced ball hammock support, this option is built for extended wear. If you experience chafing or need extra thigh coverage, this will keep you comfortable. It's ideal for athletes or anyone seeking all-day anti-chafing protection. What people say. Number 3. Jumbo Elephant Animal Kit. Discover endless fun with this amazing animal kit. It provides everything you need to start your creative journey. This kit allows you to craft your very own jumbo elephant. It's a delightful project for all ages. Designed for easy assembly, it's perfect for kids and adults alike. Enjoy quality time creating something special. Working with it helps develop fine motor skills and encourages imaginative play. You'll love the sense of accomplishment. Once completed, it becomes a wonderful decorative piece. Display your handcrafted elephant with pride. Looking for a unique present? It makes an excellent gift for birthdays or holidays. What we like. This kit provides a complete and easy-to-assemble elephant costume. If you need a quick and fun outfit for a party or event, this offers instant transformation. It's perfect for last-minute costume needs or playful occasions. What people say. Number 2. Nicky Big's Novelties Adult Elephant Costume. Ready to stand out at your next event? This costume set offers a fun and easy way to embody a beloved animal. It's perfect for parties, plays, or any occasion needing a touch of whimsy. You'll love the distinctive elephant ears that come with this set. They are designed to be comfortable and stay in place, ensuring you look the part all night long. This costume also includes a matching hat and an adorable elephant nose. These elements complete your transformation, making you instantly recognizable and ready for fun. Specifically designed for adults, this animal costume offers a comfortable fit for various body types. It's an excellent choice for themed parties, Halloween, or theatrical performances. Putting on this costume is quick and hassle-free, allowing you more time to enjoy your event. It guarantees smiles and memorable moments wherever you go. What we like. This set offers detailed accessories for a more specific elephant look. If you're aiming for a refined or authentic animal costume, these pieces provide excellent detail. It's great for themed parties, theatrical productions, or creative dress-up. What people say. Number 1. Men's Ice Silk Elephant Nose Boxer Briefs. Experience unparalleled comfort with these new boxer briefs. They are designed for a perfect fit and all-day wear, making them an essential addition to your wardrobe. Crafted from premium ice silk, they offer a smooth, cool touch against your skin. You'll love their luxurious feel and breathability. Featuring an innovative elephant nose pouch, they provide superior support and breathability. This unique design ensures maximum comfort where it matters most. Designed to move with you, they offer a snug yet comfortable fit without restriction. Stay fresh and confident throughout your day with them. Elevate your everyday essentials with these stylish and functional boxer briefs. They are the perfect blend of innovation and comfort for the modern man. What we like. With its unique elephant nose design and ice silk fabric, this pair stands out. If you appreciate novelty and desire exceptional breathability, this offers a cool and distinctive feel. It's best for those who want to combine playful style with ultimate comfort. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the given instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.